Hey guys, Eric here with Evade and Survive Tactical Training and Equipment. Hey, so some early warning measures that you can put around your campsite, your bug out location, your home, wherever you're at, your remain over day site, remain overnight site, patrol base, is a simple string with some cans and rocks in it. Just like old school, you've seen it on silly stuff like The Walking Dead and different shows, but it actually, for early warning, it's simple and it works. All I got here is some cans tied to a cord and got some rocks in them. Camouflaged it up a little bit, and you can put this on access ways, avenues of approach around your site. And simple, might orient you to a direction and give you a chance to get your weapon and orient yourself to the potential threat. A lot of times it'll just scare away whatever critter comes around. And if it's somebody that's a little more deliberate, it at least gives you a second to orient, grab your weapon, and prepare for action. Okay? Early warning, you can't beat a couple seconds heads up when something bad's about to happen. Think about it, give it a try. If it works, no matter how silly it looks, if it works, it ain't stupid, right? All right. Take care. More coming soon.